QNet do every week? They take the pie and they take their profits and they share it with you. They simply share it with you. All right? They share their profits with you and many more people down your network who has contributed to the sale and purchase of any goods and services of QNet. Again, which can be done anywhere in the world. Now think of this logic. I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I basically have a brother in London. I pick up the phone, I call my brother in London, all right, and my brother says, let me log on to www.qnet.net. It's just a web address. He logs on, he loves the Bernard H. Meyer watch, Swiss made. He buys it. That's it. In exactly a few seconds, as a Malaysian, I have built a business overseas in London. Now my cousin or my brother in London tomorrow invites 20 friends and talks about the QNet business, and boom, sitting in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, right, through this amazing platform of network marketing, I have become an international businessman or businesswoman, all right, whoever you are out there. All right, now that's the concept of network marketing. That's the concept of word of mouth. Now QNet today, proudly, all right, is reaching every corner of the world. It is starting to be recognized after 10 years as one of the leading companies in a $100 billion industry. Now sitting there right now in your living room, whichever part of the world, listening to this very good looking Malaysian speak to you, all right, I simply want you to face the reality. You have a decision to make watching this video. First decision, do you need to do this? Let me answer that for you. I think the answer is yes. Because like me in 1998, we are all in a situation we have bills to pay. We know our jobs are not secure, right? You have kids and things for children are not cheap anymore, right? You have dreams. You want to go places. You want to do things. You want to buy things. Now QNet is an amazing, simple, home-based business which can start as a secondary income, all right? As your network grows from 2 to 4 to 8 to 16. But eventually, like me and many thousands of people in the QNet business who have become full-time professional networkers, entrepreneurs, who have achieved this concept called financial freedom. Now that's the decision you have to make. So sitting right there right now, please understand that you have to make a decision, or you will make a decision after watching this video, all right, of your journey with QNet, one of the most amazing network marketing companies. Remember, the company does everything: infrastructure, IT, web hosting, purchasing, delivery, warehousing, packaging, brochures, everything. And what do you and I do? Pick up the phone, make a call. Hi, I've got a great opportunity. Can we meet for coffee? Can I come over? Could you come to this hotel for a hotel meeting? Bottom line, if somebody asks me, how would you summarize your job as a professional networker? Something I'm damn good at since I was 1 year old. Talk to people, talk to people, talk to people. So QNet, a decision you have to make sitting there right now. So all I can say, welcome to a brand new journey. Welcome to one of the oldest, most powerful industries in the world, and welcome to one of the most amazing corporations in the world today. Welcome to QNet. Now for the next part of this video, I'm going to be introducing you simply to the V. Now sitting there, please understand that these two are different organizations which have been working in partnership for over 10 years. Now the concept of the V is a very simple concept. All right? In network marketing, the person who referred you or showed you the opportunity and brought you into the company is basically termed as your upline. Now, the word upline, get used to it. You're going to be hearing it and using it a lot over the next few years as a networker. Now, in our organization, all right, there are millions of networkers in our organization situated all over the world.